This is less than $10 for a really cute, thought out, took your time, holiday gifts on a low budget. I know that's right. Okay, happy Valentine's to everybody. Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kitty Cat, otherwise known as Catherine on YouTube. Now, February is one of my favorite months of the year, not only because it's short, it's just quick and easy, but because it's Valentine's month. You know, Valentine's Day happens and I love it. It low-key makes me sad that Valentine's Day is in the middle of the month, because after it's over, it's like, oh, it's over already, you know? But anyways, I love Valentine's Day. I really think it's like a really sweet holiday where you can really just take the time to tell others that you love them and that you appreciate them. Despite what a lot of other people think about Valentine's Day, it's literally my #1 favorite holiday all year long. For this video today, this is a simple, easy DIY that you can do for your honey, your sweetie, your baby, your boo thing, your whoever, or even like your mom, your grandma, whoever you want to give a nice Valentine's Day gift to. This is super cute, it's fun, it's easy, and you could probably do this under $10. So if you're interested in learning how to do this Valentine's Day cute DIY, then just keep on watching. The first step is you're gonna want to go head on over to the Dollar Tree, Target, Walmart, wherever you can to get kind of like a, not like a poster board, or just kind of like a poster paper, yeah. Pick whatever color you'd like. For this particular DIY, I wanted to go bright, bold pink, so I went with pink. You're gonna need 3 of those poster papers, so be sure to get 3 of them. And like I said, go to the dollar store, so you're only paying $3 for that, okay? So the next thing you're gonna wanna do, head on over to the frame aisle at the dollar store. I got mine over there. Basically, you're gonna want to get a frame that is 3 like this. You know, 3, but we're gonna flip it around. I mean, you could do whatever you wanna do, but I'm gonna do it this way. You just wanna get one that has 3. So that way when you take your I love you photos, you'll put the I here, the heart here, and the you there. Super cute, super easy. You'll need some scissors, a pencil or a pen. Trace your shapes, and then you'll go ahead and cut them out. You're gonna cut out your I, your heart, and your you. It's gonna be however you like it to be, however big or small, or whatever designs that you'd like. Make it happen. It's gonna be cute, okay? And then the fun part begins. You get to go take pictures. I'm gonna take pictures again today. I tried taking them a few days ago, but it was like almost nighttime and it just didn't work out that good. So this is day 2 of trying to get these Valentine's I love you pictures together. Super excited. I mean, look at this. I don't know who made this, but this is Colorado. This is us. This is like what we see down the highway. It's pretty. You can go take pictures outside, inside, go to a Starbucks, whatever you'd like. Just take some cute, fun holiday Valentine's Day photos. After that, head on over to Walgreens, Target, wherever, Walmart. You're gonna get that picture developed. Get 3 photos. Make sure that you get the 4x6 or the 5x7 or whatever for your frame. And then you'll place the photos in there. Then boom, you got a beautiful, lovely Valentine's Day gift that costs less than $10 to make. I know. It's really awesome. Maybe even $5. I'm not sure how much the pictures are gonna cost yet because I haven't gone. But normally for 3 pictures, it's like gonna be $1 or $2. I made one for my mom a couple years ago when I was in college, and she still has it propped up in the living room, and it's hella cute. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you want other people to see it. Be sure to also leave me some comments down in the comment section below. What are your thoughts about Valentine's Day? I'd love to know, and I hope that you all have a great Valentine's Day full of love, happiness, joy, and just overall positivity, because you deserve it, honey. All right, y'all. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. To me, this is the most wonderful time of the year, okay?